time. We have just named this road the Atwoli road, because initially it did not have a name. Only this was the garden, which was when it was the garden. So we have placed this area and at the end also. So this is the road. It did not have a name. So particularly, you know, is that small animal. So it doesn't have any significance. Uhuru has been fighting for social justice of the citizens of this country, all the workers. He has almost become a household name. So we want to honor him for all the good things that he has done for this country and even abroad.
We want to thank you, Nairobi County, by giving you this honor to signify the good job you've done for the trade unionists, especially as workers, and we appreciate you so much. So nakupa hongera na tumekubless na hii barabara. Asante.
Thank you very much. Much more extensive and also the waziri. I want to take this special opportunity to very highly thank you people. This is the highest recognition in my life that you people have made it possible and realizable. It's something that I didn't think in my life that at one time it would have happened. And I want to thank you for what you have done for me. This is great, and I can assure you, we had a lot of people in trade union in the then city council from the trade union movement. We had the late Chadwick Adongo, who was the deputy mayor of this city from the trade union movement, who worked closely under Nathan Kahara at that time. And so many others who have passed on, John Murugu, we had Genda Joey, we had Jacobo Chino, people who grew up this city. This is not only honor to me, but to the past labor leadership in the then city council of Nairobi.